I'm going to do a quick video here on how to restring one of these EGO POWERLOADs. I think it's a 56 volt power load. Nice little machine, I like it. And it's supposed to load itself, so I'm going to show you how it does it. This is what I had in there. This is what came with it. They recommend using 0.095, I guess, 95 thousandths. But I'm using this here. It's 80 thousandths. I'm trying to get the thing. It's 80 thousandths. I'm using this because it matches the color, matches the machine there, the green. No, I'm just kidding. The only reason I'm using that is because that's all I had on the shelf. But they say up to. They say you can use up to 95 thousandths. So let me put you up on a tripod and we'll stick this in there. Actually, by looking at it, there's not much difference. There we go. Not much difference, but this stuff here worked pretty good for me. Alright, let me put yours on a tripod. Alright, yeah, they recommend 13 foot of this stuff. And what you do is you go to the hole in the side here. I didn't have to take this apart. If you still have some of this string left in there, this was spit out, so I don't have to take this apart. But if you do have to take it apart and get rid of what's in there, just push these little black buttons and the bottom comes out. You can take that out. But I don't have to do that, so we're not going to do it. And you just take this and stick it in the hole here, and it comes out the other side. Can you see that? It comes right out the other side. And you send that through till you got, like I said, this is, I put 14, they recommend 13 foot, I put 14 foot. But you just stick it in there and pull it straight until you got equal amount on both sides. Almost there. I'm still here. Alright, we got about equal amount on each side. And then you're supposed to hold it like this. You still there? And you see this little button on the top here? Just push that. It's actually pulling itself in. Alright, I probably, yeah, no, that's about right. Got about equal amount on each side, and that's it. It's tight. Let's give it a test run. Let's try and do this in view of the camera. Still there? Here we go. We at it. Alright, just trimmed itself. Got your automatic trimmer on the side here. And that's what it did, it trimmed itself. So that's how you do it. Pretty nice. Yeah, I've had this about 2 years now. I'm pretty happy with it. So, EGO. Alright, I hope that helps somebody. See you guys later.